Hey, it's Mark again. This is Ramona soil. It's DG, it's high in minerals, sometimes it's got heavy clay, and that is some compost that I put on top of it early in the summer, about midway in summer, because Robin had planted some sweet alyssum, and you can see the patch there. It is doing really well right now. It was almost dead a couple of months ago, and it started getting up into the 90s and over 100 degrees, and they were just struggling. And I started watering them every day, but they were just struggling still. So all I did was I spread out a little compost on top just to retain the water, because you keep hearing that it retains water. So I really wanted to test it, see if it works, and it works great. I didn't put a big deep layer or anything like that. It's a pretty thin layer, and I would imagine after the season is done and after a few rains, it'll probably wash away or wash down because it is a hillside. But I'm okay with that. I think it's worth it because I water every day in this area, anywhere, and I only use like the soft spray part of the sprayer, and I'll water for 10 seconds, and that's it. On light days, like today. Today was 70 something, in the 70s. But if it's like 100 degrees, I'll water it for like 15 seconds in a small area, 15 to 20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds, around there. And these things just retains water. That compost just really reduces evaporation. And we were able to get this sweet alyssum to go nuts within a couple of months of just some everyday watering and throwing that compost down just on top of the Ramona soil, which is just, there's really nothing in it. There's nothing in that soil whatsoever. I have no biodegradables in there. There's no manure. There's nothing. But sweet alyssum does pretty good. I'm really impressed with this stuff. I'd give it a try. If you have the same type of soil, I'd give it a try. See you later.